Hey, what is going on YouTube? RGPro7 here. So if you're trying to access Bard, and you know Bard is Google's own competitor to ChatGPT. Now we're currently on the web page. So let's refresh real quick. So if you're trying to access Bard from certain locations and you're getting this prompt that Bard isn't currently supported in your country, stay tuned. Now, how to get access to the waitlist, because as you know, Bard is in the experimental stages and it is currently not available in all regions. So what you'd need to do is to connect to a virtual private network, one that can change your location so you'd have access to various locations. So let me do that real quick. Head back over to the page. Once it has been connected, you'd simply need to refresh and give that a few seconds. Now, as I was saying, Bard is the competitor to ChatGPT. Now, as we know, Google is one of the top search engines based on accessing information and data. So, seeing Google doing something like this will be quite unique, and I'm pretty sure they will add their own twist to it. And it will have some elements similar to ChatGPT integrated into the system or the programming, which will generate responses whenever you search for a query. Now, as you can see, I've been added to the waitlist. The prompt that it is not available in my country is no longer there, and I've been added to the waitlist. Thank you for your interest in Bard. You'll receive an email when it's your turn. So it's pretty simple. You would need to just change your location and access the web page again. Just refresh, enter the email you'd want, or enter that email is selected, and then you're good to go from there. So if you have any queries or any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Once I get access to this, I'll do a side-by-side comparison with ChatGPT to see what the differences are, what the similarities are, and how they compare. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.